I feel like somebody's watching us. Hmm?
Hello.
Huh. Huh?
Kisara.
Right!
That Zoogel's in our way.
I'll heal you all!
Demon Fang!
Not on my watch!
I'm on it!
You're really strong, Alphen!
I'm just trying to do the best I can.
Still, as a master of all you around.
And here I hope there was improvement.
Just
Leave the ensnaring to me.
Yeah! And
Damn
ready
to me!
This one's mine!
Demon Fang! Now, pull it freely!
Take it
I'll
down!
be saving this one!
Can't get out of this! Raining
Annihilate
Strike! Storm! Blew away!
Raining Orb!
Smoke! Look sharp! Lightning Tiger Blade! Double Demon Fang!
Steel Power! I'll stop its charge!
Thanks, Kisara!
You make quick work of them!
Want me to pick up your slack then?
Just pointing it out! Now you see what I can do!
Blew away! Raining Strike!
They're not playing around!
In an instant! Impact Rock!
Don't get complacent.
Good.
Really now.
Hey.
Yes!
I guess.
Huh? Yeah.
Nice.
Hey!
What?
How?
Really?
We did it!
Hey! Good grief.
Yes!
It couldn't have gone far.
There's still Zoogles on the loose. We'd better hurry. You better not come back. Got it?
Make sure to catch any mice you see, okay?
Isn't that the bull? It's surrounded by Zoogles.
Hey now! No picking on Ab!
Right, here goes!
Raging captain!
Damn it!
Eat this! That's enough!
Here!
Swallow blade!
By the power of come in handy.
Yeah! I guess...
Yes!
Yeah?
Huh?
How?
Hey!
Really?
Hey! Ah! Huh? Good grief. Yeah.
Don't look now. Oh. But the animals have come to see you off.
Oh, of course, the only affection I can get is from livestock.
Aww. I think you and them are a match made in heaven.
No choice! Double demon fang! More! Burn it
You
out!
have to aim for the right area on their back.
Roll away!
Get it work!
There you go. Don't let up.
Split it open!
Be my guest!
Raging
Denied!
No further!
Sealed.
Strike! Take this!
Flame of fury. Burning strike.
Where are you going?
Raging cascade. Sealed. Do it.
Roll away!
This ends now.
Consider yourself finished!
Lightning condemned.
Eat this!
The
I
flame
can carve
inside
through
me
armor.
yearns to be
Lunar
let
Crest to
free!
handle.
You picked the wrong fight!
Eat this!
I'm all
Renan
fucked up.
slap! I'm on it!
Annihilation.
It's finished!
Let's do it. Here.
Hold up! Is this as valuable as I think it? This?
I think Hoodle senses something.
Okay. Okay.
Seriously?
Well,
What the?
Always good to be back in familiar territory.
Okay!
oh,
Why, you!
really now.
Just what's going on here? Should we stop them?
Okay!
Here we go! I'll do my best! The power of Guardian Field! I'm ready to go! Flaming Meteor! Tiger Blade! Tiger Blade! I can handle it! Tiger Blade! Far enough! Tiger Blade! Light up the dark! I'm ready! Tiger Blade! Tiger Blade! The power of light! All right, let me at him! Tiger Blade! Tiger Blade! take you all on! Ha! Flare Demolisher! Tiger Blade!
What the?
Excuse me!
Yes!
Seriously? I never knew. Lagiel could be so intense.
She can get that. That way. They were my bro.
Double demon fang!
Far enough!
Here's evil.
Ready,
Shattering to pieces!
Those arms even natural?
Make it rain!
As impressive as always.
Get behind me! Igneous!
No, I mean you're even better than ever. I've never seen Shionne actually look faster. I'll be saving this one. Oh, magic Eater! Sleep now. Let's get you all
Get out
tucked
of
away.
this!
Here, go now.
demon fang!
Sleep now.
On guard!
Leave the ensnaring to me.
Yeah,
and the pummeling to me!
this one's mine.
Double demon
They're all coming after me.
I'm coming, Renwell.
Here's evil. I'm not scared. I'm totally fine.
To be let
Freeze
free.
laser.
Not today!
This one's
Lightning
mine!
orb.
Inferno crossing!
Gemini
Blew
Ultra.
away!
Back into the
Renan
fray.
flash.
Look sharp!
Tempest
We did
Flash.
it!
Mega Ray.
Hurricane strike!
Blew away!
Shattering
Pieces! Attack time!
Another
Blow
one.
away.
Mega Ray. Illuminate Night.
Going in!
Double
Do
demon
it.
fang!
Holy Land. Too much to handle.
Hurricane strike!
Swallow blade!
Photon Blast. In the wind.
I think we can get through this.
Field.
Don't let up until it's over.
Who said anything about letting off?
Here
I don't know what I'd do without you.
Radiant Star.
Perhaps now isn't the time?
I really don't.
Double demon fang!
Going in!
Next!
Hurricane strike!
Field.
Double demon fang!
Gemini Aqua.
Glacial fire!
Light Astral Energy.
Hurricane strike!
This one's mine.
You picked the wrong fight!
Anything in armor is all mine!
Igneous
Armor won't
discharge!
save you!
Lightning Orb.
Take this!
Light Astral Energy. Radiant here. Flame. More with the stockpile.
Raining slash!
Glacial
More
fire!
Might be yours to be let free!
In the wind. Air thrust.
Blow away!
Here!
Sleep now.
Blow away!
Igneous discharge!
Why'd you heal me?
To stop you dying?
Double demon fang!
Do you require a hand?
Can't get out of this!
Raining slash! Blow away!
Hurricane strike!
Go in! I'll smash you!
Blow away!
Handle this.
This one's mine!
Not today!
More for the
Hurricane
side.
strike!
Raining
One more!
slash!
On guard!
Blow away!
Hurricane strike!
Raining slash!
Showtime.
One more! Nothing gets by me.
Ready,
Far enough.
The flame inside me yearns to be let free.
Appreciate the help.
I owe you, Shionne.
Healing is what my art do best.
All my moves cause havoc and destruction.
In a bind?
It's time to finish this. Die. Consuming wildfire.
Lightning! Downfall!
Blew away.
Time to listen.
Ready, flash. Blew away. Ready, flash.
This one's mine.
Double demon fang. The flame inside
This
me
one's
yearns to
mine.
be let free.
Tiger blade.
Blew away.
Now. This ends now.
Consider yourself finished.
There.
Double demon
Make it
fang.
rain.
Dohalim!
Light burst forth.
Radiant Citizen! Did you used to come? Come here when you were younger, Kisara?
You bet. See the dent in that column? That's from when my mace slipped out of my hand one time, just after I joined the guard. And that crack over there? That happened while I was practicing.
Little help!
We did it!
As impressive as always. No, I mean, you're even better than ever.
Wow! Look what I just found.
Right, here goes! Ready, flash!
Hurricane
You are in tip-top
As soon as I'm done here, come help out.
shape. How could a girl ever say no?
As impressive as always.
Over so soon?
Go no further!
Double demon fang!
If it's in the sky, it's
Blew
mine!
away!
Another shield! Hear me! Flame of fury!
Raining slash!
Strike!
Barely a blip on our radar.
Oh, wow!
Yeah. Oh?
Are we underground? This looks like the inside of some kind of ancient structure.
It seems likely that we're in a Dahnan temple. Instead of destroyed, it must have been buried and preserved. Either that, or it was constructed underground to begin with.
got company.
What the? Are those statues moving?
And attacking.
Ignite!
Holy Land!
Double demon fang! Raining
Far
slash!
enough.
Fire's attack!
Blow away!
I never miss.
Look sharp.
Raining slash!
Okay, here I
Mind
go.
if I do?
Glacial spear.
Take
Here's
this.
the evil.
Round
To
pound.
thine own
Raining
death!
slash!
Freeze laser!
No way.
Blow them away!
This one's mine.
Here, let me help.
Glacial
Blow away!
Tiger blade.
Back into the fray! You got
Blow
company!
away!
Lightning!
It's
In here!
on!
This one's
mine.
Not today!
Thunderblade! I can
Raining
use
slash!
Freeze laser!
Raining up!
Holy Land!
I'll smash you.
Here's the
Blow
healing!
away! Raining slash! Blow away!
Radiant Pierce!
Double demon fang!
Illuminate the dark! Come forth! Holy Land! Annihilation!
Take
Annihilation!
Raining slash! Coming through! Ha! Now! Scarlet Inferno!
Look sharp.
Hurricane Strike!
My head's spinning just watching you.
Raging
It's
Storm!
on!
Hurricane Strike!
Ha! Eat
Here's
this!
the healing Arch Field!
This one's mine.
Far enough! Eat dirt!
Double demon fang!
Where are you going?
Blow away!
Inferno
Raining slash!
Not on my watch!
Raining slash!
Make it right! This ends now!
Consider yourself finished! Double demon fang!
I'm out of ammo!
Glacial Fire. Anything in armor is all mine.
Double demon! In an instant! Impact rock!
What the hell was all that about? Those things didn't even look alive, let alone like Zoogles.
They were part of these ruins, but it seems the astral energy changed them somehow. If I had to guess, I'd say there's something bigger lurking within that wants us gone from this place.
Whoever or whatever it is must really value its privacy.
It's on!
Hear me! Flame of fury! Burning strike!
Double demon fang!
Here's the evil!
Ha! You picked the wrong fight!
This one's mine!
Blow away!
I'll
smash you. Look sharp.
I never miss! They're all coming after me!
I'm coming, Linwell!
I'm not scared! I'm totally fine!
Double demon fang!
Take this!
Inferno crossing! Radiant Pierce on flat!
Inferno
Here's a healing arc!
Raining
Blow
slash! Blow away!
Photon flat!
Raining slash!
Hurricane
Raining
Illuminate the dark! Come forth, holy glimmer!
Raining slash! Coming through! Ha! Now! Scarlet Inferno!
Inferno crossing. This one's mine.
Here's a healing arc! First aid!
Okay. Double demon fang! Raining slash!
This one's mine!
Double demon fang! Next! Try harder! Burn in hell!
Anything in armor is all mine.
Blow away! Raining slash! Blow away!
Nothing gets
Raining
by me.
slash!
Alright, it's showtime!
Raining slash! Now it's
Fight better at a distance. The further away, the better. You and I both.
Not in your dreams!
Going in.
Here's the evil! Now!
Raining
Primed and
slash!
ready. This
Blow
one's
away.
mine.
Raging storm!
Raining slash!
Puddle!
Look sharp.
Raging
Blow away.
hurricane!
The flame inside me yearns to be
Seal.
let free!
Lunar
Blow
corruption.
away! Burn in
You
hell!
all touch the way!
Glacial fire.
Raining slash!
Tiger blade.
This ends now!
Consider yourself finished!
Here I go.
Hurricane Where
Magic
are you
is
going?
Blow away!
Going in.
Mega Ray!
Take
Searing flame! Reload!
I can carve through walls!
Demons descend. Flashing bang. I'm ready.
Hold on to your art. Here I come.
This one's all mine.
It's go time!
Not today!
I never miss! Hurricane strike! Lunar corruption! One more! By the power of Hurricane strike!
Double demon fang!
I can carve through
No
all!
more playing nice! Lunar corruption! Lunar blast! Holy wind to the fray! Glacial fire!
Raining flash!
Burning!
Blow away! Try harder!
Don't mind if I do!
Raining flash! Blow away! Raining flash! It's on! Blow away! Raining flash! Blow away! Ignite! Raining flash! Blow away! Raining flash! Blow away! This one keeps charging us!
That's what my shield's for. Get behind me.
Got it! Leave it to you!
Ready and ready!
Raining!
I can carve through all!
Hurricane
Blow away!
going now!
Raining flash!
Look sharp!
Blow away!
Where are you going?
Blow away! Raining flash! Blow away!
Healing circle!
Raining flash! Blow away!
Corruption! Now! Who wants to die next?
Now, where was I?
How about this? Don't mind if I do! Hurricane
Double demon fang!
Raining flash!
Now I can let loose!
This one's mine!
We did it!
As impressive as always.
Here I hoped I wasn't free.
No, I mean, you're even better than ever. I've never seen Shionne actually look...
Astral energy!
Say no more.
Got it!
Well done!
Shield and light! Ready and ready!
Holy land! Downfall!
Now you've gone and ticked me off.
I'm out of ammo!
Blow away!
Mega ray!
Too much!
Light astral energy! Here's a healing art!
I'll take you all on. Ha! Flare the Malicer!
Here's a healing art!
I owe you one!
This one's mine.
Dance in the wind!
Burn in hell!
Air thrust! Radiant fire! I'm ready to get
Raining
down!
flash!
This one's mine!
Make it rain!
More! Look sharp! Lightning tiger blade!
Will this help? Healing circle! Thanks so much!
Looks like you came to my rescue again.
All
You
right.
need to be careful.
Now, where was
With
I?
the blazing sword, and with my thorns.
Shionne.
Art expert coming through!
The ancient Dahnans must have built it to honor the strength of the astral energy that runs through here.
But if that's the case, what does it have to do with that face we saw above ground?
Without further research, wouldn't be able to say.
Raining flash!
Magic is
Blow
there!
away!
Sleep now! Hurricane! This is not easy!
Raining flash!
Take this! Look sharp!
This one's all mine! Not today!
Shiny! Synchro hole! Banana! Let's go!
Double demon fang!
Light out! Blah, 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 blah! In here! Now! Astral energy!
Say no more!
Double demon fang! Try harder!
I'm out of ammo! I can do this all day! Illuminate the dark!
And just like that, I'm back in it. Start by holding the front line. No sooner said
Not
than done.
today!
Tunnel!
Blow away!
Illuminate the
Demon
dark!
I'll take you all on. Ha! Flare the Malisa! On guard.
Now
Keep
we're
going!
back.
Frozen!
Hammer!
Nicely done!
Open spear.
Illuminate the dark! Come forth!
This one's
Holy
mine.
land! Healing
Flaming
circle!
meteor!
All right. Can't get out of this.
I don't know what I'd do without you.
Perhaps now isn't the time?
I really don't.
Look sharp.
Illuminate the dark! Come forth! Holy glimmer!
Hurricane
Holy
Order
land!
will save you.
Arc seal!
I owe you one.
Thanks for the healing.
Watch yourself, okay?
Yeah, you too. Let the marksman handle it. Illuminate the dark!
One more.
Hard
up.
Do
it.
Astral energy!
Say no more!
I'll heal you all! Healing circle!
Now I can let loose.
Why'd you heal me?
To stop you dying?
Ah, right.
The earth throbs in pain.
It's go time!
Look sharp. Hurricane strike. Going in.
Raining slap!
One more. Hurricane strike. On guard.
Where that came from? Rage
One more.
cascade!
In a bind?
Leave the turret to me.
Try harder!
Infernal crossing. This one's mine. Take it away.
Double demon fang!
Astral energy!
Say no more!
Lightning! Downfall!
Flash! Coming through! Ha! Now! Scarlet Inferno! Blow away! Not today! Double demon fang!
Here goes! I never miss! Hurricane strike!
Raining slap!
Now!
Light burst forth.
Radiant Genesis! Here's a healing arc! Crescent Moon! Wind Astral Energy! Lunar Corruption! Crescent Moon! By the power of the Tiger Blade! Radiant Spear! Light now!
Double demon fang!
Frozen!
Hammer.
Dance in the wind! Into the shadows! In here!
Blow away!
Infernal crossing. Hard up.
Blow away! Double demon fang!
Hurricane now! Frozen!
Hammer.
Will this help? Light Astral Energy!
It's hot.
Hurricane strike! Holy glimmer!
Raining slap! The flame
One more.
inside me yearns to be let
This
free!
one's
Lunar
mine.
Corruption!
Igneous
You're not in
discharge.
your dreams! Set it
Double
all
demon
once!
fang!
Take this.
Do it!
Blow away!
Thunder Field! Astral Energy!
Say no more!
I'm ready!
Double demon fang!
Lunar Hurricane strike! By the lightning!
Blow away!
Illuminate the dark!
Raining
Come
slap!
on, Holy Glimmer! Holy land! I'm on the side!
Burn!
Annihilation!
Double demon fang!
By the power of water! Raging
Blow away! Raining slap!
Where are you going? Going in! I'll heal you all!
Double demon fang!
Here! Going in! I can't...
Coming through! Ha! Now! Scarlet Inferno!
Glacial Spear!
Do you require help?
Thunder Field!
No further!
Raining
Blast!
Mega Ray! Not in your dreams!
Raining slap! Blow away!
Raging
This one's
Inferno!
all mine! Blow
Annihilation!
away! Burn it down!
Mega Ray! Hurricane Shibara, frozen.
Hammer!
Raging cascade. Glacial spear.
Demon Fang!
One more!
Lightning blazer.
Armor won't save you!
Where would that kick from?
Glacial Arc!
Do it! Shionne, astral energy. Full throttle.
A flawless victory.
Lightning condense.
Naturally.
Rain Slash! Blew away!
I'm out of
Rain
here.
Slash!
Look sharp!
I'm ready.
Blew away!
I never miss! Tiger, make it
Double
right!
beam.
Light burst forth!
Radiant denizen.
Will this help?
Crescent
This
move!
one's all mine!
Lightning
Tiger
bolt.
blade!
Lightning condense.
You picked the wrong fight!
Illuminate magic exam.
Double Demon Fang!
Holy
Tiger
Lunar
blade.
corruption.
Raining Slash! Blew away!
By the power of water!
Raining Slash! Try harder!
Here!
Double Demon Fang!
In a
Let me
bind?
help!
Here goes.
Denied!
Okay, here I go!
Astral raging cascade.
Anything in armor is all mine!
Dreams.
Hold nothing back!
I'm out of ammo! This one's
Blew
mine!
away! Double Demon Fang!
It's showtime.
I'm all stuffed up! Hurricane!
This one's all mine!
I'm going!
Blew away!
Into the
Raining
shadows.
Slash!
Raging
Blew
cascade.
away!
Do it!
Blow blade!
Light burst forth!
Radiant denizen. Got it. Now's our chance.
Ah, Calaglia.
Everyone around here looks so much happier than they used to.
I'll say. It feels like an entirely different place. I suppose it's had time to adjust to its newfound freedom.
Zephyr would have been so happy to see this.
Yeah, he really would have. Especially if he knew Law was... Law? Something bothering you, Law?
Nah, I'll be fine. It's just, you know.
It still weighs on you, doesn't it? Running away back then.
I abandoned my home. Then when I finally come back, it's been liberated. What's important is that it's free. I get that, I do. I just... I should have been here.
Just one thing after another, and it all falls on my head to...
Hey, Nath.
What? Can't you see I'm... Alphen?
Looks like you have your hands full.
As much as ever. As if I wasn't busy enough putting down the last remnants of Renan rule, I'm up to my ears in Dahnan disputes. And then, to top it all off, That thing had to come crashing down from out of the sky.
Pretty sure we've heard this somewhere before.
But enough about my problems. What can I help you with?
Yeah, we're looking for an old Renan starship. You wouldn't happen to know any around these parts, would you?
A starship? What do you need one of those for?
To get to Lenegus.
Lenegus? Are you out of your damn mind?
Believe it or not, it wouldn't be the craziest thing we've done recently.
Well, I believe it. Well, either way, I'm afraid I haven't heard anything about a starship.
Then do you have any historical records by chance?
Sure, we've got stacks of old records.
Mind if we take a look at them?
Yeah, okay.
Thanks, Nath.
I read through all of the records, but I only found a single line that might point to what we're looking for. It mentions a rock that shot across the sky and landed past the mountains. The event was recorded just before the first Renan invasion.
And you think that might be the starship?
I don't know. There was nothing else in the records that came even close. It looked like it was someplace called Berg, but maybe I'm reading it wrong.
Berg?
That ring any bells for you?
Yeah, that's one of the biggest volcanoes in Calaglia. I was just there recently, investigating a report of a meteor someone saw.
Another meteor in the same area? Really?
I wonder if it could have been one of those lights that shot out of the wedge.
All the more reason to check it out. Can you tell us how to get there?
The old Zion mine is up that way. One of the veins we abandoned connects to the volcano. Go ahead and use that. But you should be careful.
Huh?
I don't know if it has anything to do with the meteor. But there's a giant Zoogle running riot in there. Never seen anything like it.
A Zoogle, huh?
Well, I turned back as soon as I caught sight of the thing, so I can't tell you much more. Just be real careful if you head out that way. All right.
I guess...
Right.
I didn't like the sound of that monster name.
Everything okay with Hootle, Rinwell? He seems kinda out of spirits.
It must be the heat getting to him. We don't get these kind of temperatures back in Cislodia.
Calaglians born and raised here struggle with it too, so it's no surprise.
Aha! So that's why his plumage is so white. He was born in a winter wonderland.
Actually, Dahnan owls absorb the astral energy of whatever land they're raised in. Where they're born doesn't affect their appearance at all. But that's not why he's white. The real reason is that he's still just a baby. Whew!
You mean their plumage changes color depending on where they grow up? Weird.
And with all this traveling we've been doing, it wouldn't surprise me if his wings ended up looking like a colorful painting.
I think he suits his snowy complexion. It'll feel strange to see him change.
How awesome would it be if his head and wings were different colors, and his stomach and sides, like a map of our travels? Ow, lay off, will ya? So much for the heat making him docile.
You've only yourself to blame for that one. Hootle takes pride in his appearance, you know.
Fascinating. An appreciation of aesthetic beauty in an owlet so young.
Dohalim, I think you've drawn his attention.
We've reached our destination.
I think Huro senses an owl around here.
What do you say we check back in on the ranch?